If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. As this is the best time and it's an opportunity for primary and middle class students as online classes are going on. So being an opportunist, take the advantages of the time and sharpen your skills in English speaking. Hello and welcome again in this channel. This is Mrs. Manda Matai. In this video, today we will learn how to sharpen our skills in English speaking. Hence, for the same purpose, I would like to share with you my experiences that how I started my journey for English speaking. Hence, I would recommend the same to my dear students in little steps.
Step 1. Stop translation from your native language to English.
Suppose you are among people or in conversation with a group. Then you have to reply to them. Do you think how much time you will take? It's less than 10 seconds because time window is very less. As a consequence, you will be confused. It will be time consuming. Your work will be extensive. During process, people will lose focus and attention. They will not take interest. Hence, it's recommended stop translation from your native language to English.
Step 2. Languages.
Come to know about languages, that why we should not translate in languages. Students always consider that languages are the same, but we need to understand that languages are not the same. You need to understand very smartly that we should start work right now because their origin is never the same. They originated somewhere from the common languages, but they diverted in different process. English and Hindi origin was never the same. Translation can't work all the time. It's very significant to understand that sometimes translation process becomes so funny. As a solution, I would like to tell you a very simple method in step 3.
Step 3. Start with basic words and sentences.
This method is more suitable who are at basic level. Things that you see around, think about them, then how I start thinking in English. For example, I can tell you first focus on the words, then start from words, then jump to sentences, then start conversation. For example, a chalk, a pencil, a duster, a watch, a bangle, a camera, then construct sentences. Simple sentences we can construct, and just like for one example, this is a chalk. This is a pencil. This is a duster. It's a wristwatch. It's a bangle. There is a camera. This is a board. In this way, we can practice in so many sentences. Now, my video brings me on the part of conclusion. So guys, we learnt today very little important 3 steps that how we should start in speaking English. Until next video, keep practicing, keep learning. Thank you.